In last video, we have seen the concept which are related to the chapter kinetic theory of gases and radiation. So, about this chapter, we have seen the different concepts which are related to the kinetic theory of gases, such as ideal gas, some assumptions of the kinetic theory of gases, the another number of concepts such as free path, mean velocity, mean square velocity, and root mean square velocity. Now, about the kinetic theory of gases, in a theoretical part, we have seen the expression for pressure of a gas. Pressure of a gas. So we'll see in short this derivation of pressure of a gas. So we'll consider a fixed mass of a gas of volume V, which is enclosed in a cubical vessel having each side of length small l. So we consider a cubical vessel in which we consider a fixed mass of a gas. So one face of the cubical vessel is PQRS. Then we see these another faces. So in such a cubical vessel consisting of a fixed mass of a gas whose volume is V, and each side of this vessel is L. Now when the gas molecules we consider in such a vessel, according to the assumptions of the kinetic theory of gases, we know that gas molecules are always in a state of random motion, and due to the random motion of the gas molecules, these gas molecules move in all possible directions with all possible velocities, and therefore when molecules move randomly, they collide with each other as well as on the walls of the vessel or container. When molecules of the gas collide on the walls of the vessel, it gives momentum, and momentum gives the pressure which is exerted by the gas molecules. So if we consider such a fixed mass of a gas as capital M be the mass of gas, and N be the number of molecules which consisting the gas, Also, we consider small m be the mass of each molecule. Then capital M is equal to Nm, that is the total mass of the gas. Here is the area of each phase, which is equal to L square, and volume of the gas is L cube. Then as per the concept of density, which is denoted by symbol rho, density is mass per unit volume, which we write as capital N into small m upon L cube. So density of the gas is Nm upon L cube. Now, as capital N be the number of molecules, these number of molecules constantly moving in all possible directions with all possible velocities such as c1, c2, c3, etc. cn. So c1, c2, c3, cn be the velocities of the different gas molecules. Now each velocity c1 or c2 or c3 can be resolved into components which are parallel to x, y and z axes. So by resolving each velocity into the components of the velocity, if we consider these components such as u1, v1, w1 be the components of velocity c1, moving components of the velocity c1 of the molecule which is moving along x direction, then u2, v2, w2 be the components of the velocity c2, and u3, v3, w3 be the components of the velocity c3. Then from this we write c1 square is equal to u1 square plus v1 square plus w1 square, c2 square is equal to u2 square plus v2 square plus w2 square. In this way, cn square is equal to un square plus vn square plus wn square. Now if we consider a single molecule of a gas having mass m, small m be the mass of such a gas molecule which is moving along x direction with velocity c1. So such a molecule, as this velocity c1 is resolved into three components such as u1, v1 and w1. u1 is the component of velocity c1 which is moving along x direction. So this molecule moves with velocity u1 toward the face PQRS of such a cubical vessel. Then such a molecule of mass m having a momentum, initial momentum is m u1. m u1 be the initial momentum. Then such a molecule collide with the face PQRS. After collision, such a molecule gets reversed and it moves in the opposite direction with the velocity minus u1. So when molecule move in the direction of phase PQRS, it collide with the phase PQRS or collision occurs, and after collision such molecule is rebounded and it moves in the opposite direction with the velocity minus u1, and it collide with the phase P dash, Q dash, R dash, S dash. Here also the collision occurs. After that again it moves with velocity u1 toward the phase PQRS. So momentum after collision is equal to minus mu1, and change in momentum is we get as minus mu1, that is minus twice mu1. Here negative sign indicates that momentum is lost by the molecule. Since momentum is conserved according to the law of conservation of momentum, change in momentum is equal to plus twice mu1. So this is a change in momentum plus twice mu1. This momentum gives the force according to the Newton's second law of motion. Because of this change in momentum, force is exerted by such a gas molecule, and according to the concept of pressure is equal to force upon area. So along the three directions, here as we have resolved each velocity into three components, these are the three components of the velocity: u1, w1 and v1. After reverse, it becomes minus u1, minus w1 and minus v1. And because of this, observe the pressure which is exerted by the gas molecule along x direction, along y direction and along the z direction. So by deriving in detail this expression in theory, you have seen the expression for the pressure which is exerted by the gas, such as P is equal to 1 by 3 rho c square RMS. So here rho is the density of the gas, which is mass per unit volume, and c square RMS, CRMS is the root mean square velocity, that is square root of the mean velocity is called as the root mean square velocity. So because of the force, pressure is exerted. Because of the momentum, because of the force, pressure is exerted, and because of the momentum, force is exerted by the gas. So deriving in detailed mathematical part, finally you have seen the expression for the pressure, such as 1 by 3 rho c square RMS. So this is a concept of a pressure of a gas in short, as per the coming exams of NEET or GE. Then after the concept of pressure, depending upon the concept of pressure, we are now going to see some laws which are derived from the kinetic theory of gases.